Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Spotify broken on your settings. You just click here on settings, then you come here to settings window and you just go down. You click here on apps, then you come to apps window and you just go down here to looking for Spotify app here and this is window. We will go to find Spotify app and we will click here on Spotify. Then we come to next window here or app info. We'll click here on for stop, then we will click here on OK and you just click here on storage, then you come to storage window, you just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data and you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now you are get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video about all Spotify app. You just follow this is ways and it's going to work with you. So see you.